Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you the fuel pump fuse location. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Fuel pump fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. Now to remove the cover, you just want to pull it up here in the middle on these black tabs on both sides. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Fuel pump fuse, it's a Fuse F153 and it's located right here. It's a 20 amp yellow fuse. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.